Stop chasing money and stop wanting money. Wanting money is the problem. Ever since Dr. Summer's Brainwave ritual, I stopped wanting money months ago, and now I make more than a doctor, and so does my wife. In fact, my wife's best friend used to be a congresswoman, but she's so jealous she won't even talk to my wife anymore. My daughter's teacher said she had ADHD, so we used Dr. Summer's Brainwave, and now my daughter's first in her class. Getting rich is easy. There's only one thing you must do. Think you know what it is? Maybe you think it's having a rich dad like Donald Trump, or a business like Jeff Bezos, or a good degree like from Harvard. Maybe you think it's who you know, or maybe if you're like I was, you think it's the law of attraction. But the truth is, it's none of those things. You won't find it on YouTube, Google, or TV. It's never been in any course, and no book on Amazon mentions it. Instead, this one thing is sitting inside of you right now. It's a tiny brainwave that, when activated, can make you as wealthy as you want to be. This microscopic brainwave is generated by a power source in your cerebrum, evolved over 250 million years, and is so small we didn't even know what it did until recent CIA research leaked the finding. And this tiny power source is sitting dormant inside your brain right now. But here's the catch. You simply need to activate this tiny brainwave using a simple 7-second ritual. Think you know what it is? I would be shocked if you did. Japanese PhDs just started studying it. Russia's top sports scientist is performing experiments too, and the results from NASA's largest psychology study ever left their team of neuroscientists stunned. Tesla wrote pages about this mystery. Da Vinci too. Edison even invented a secret device to activate this tiny brainwave for himself.